In this lesson, let's continue the code refactoring with the command handler. So we have seen a ping.js file here. So just copy, paste this, and I'm using the same for the server info. You just need to change the name here. So I'm changing the name the same as the command which we want. You can give the command what you want to give the as a name. So now I need to change the execution function as well and the description as well. So let's change the description. Description is like what this command exactly does. So it gives a server info. So just have modify the description and just copy paste the server logic here. So just we wrote one message channel. So just I'm copy pasting this if else condition in this execute function. That's it. So the same we need to do for the user and other files as well. So the same I'm copying pasting for the user info. I'm modifying the server as a user and so I will also modify the if else statement with respect to the user info. I'm modifying this if else statement with this. Okay. Same thing we need to do with the kick and the ban methods as well. Hope for the kick we have copied earlier. So just I want to change the description and the name. So this is how we do it. So here we have kick user. Okay. The same thing we need to do for the band. So let me copy a simple one. Yeah. So this is how you need to copy paste each and every file. We have done the code refactoring with respect to the command handler. So the main advantage of getting this is from now you no need to touch the index.js anymore. If you want to add any of the other command, just add a file here. That's it, and write all the logic related in this added file, new file in the command folder. So that you no need to again touch the index.js file. As on when you day by day if you get more comments, you just add those comments and its internal logic in that file with respect to that file. In this way you can maintain a number of commands. Also it would be easier to debug as well. So in the band command I will try to replace the band logic. So let me replace this. So we could able to replace each and every code was refactored. So let me check that with the two things like server and the in user info. We have refactored the code. So next, now I'm trying to use the server info, what was replied. So now again, I will try to check that same with user info. Yes, what was replied. So our code refactor was done. So now in the next lesson, we'll try to learn about the crypto exchange rates. So thereafter, we'll learn about how to add a new file and without modifying anything in the index.js, we could able to manipulate in the commands folders itself. So let's see that in the next lesson.